Welcome to today's lesson. In this session, we'll explore how to filter an object's properties based on a provided function. This technique allows us to extract only those key value pairs that satisfy a specific condition. Let's get started. Our objective is to filter out properties from an object based on a given condition. For example, if we have an object with various properties, we might want to extract only those with numeric values. This function first collects all keys from the object, filters them using a callback function, and then reduces them back into a new object. It ensures only the properties matching the condition are retained. This approach efficiently filters an object by first retrieving all keys, checking each value against a given condition, and then reconstructing a new object with only the matching properties. In these examples, we filtered the object based on different conditions. Numeric values are retained, while properties that do not match the condition are removed. If no properties match, the function returns an empty object. This method is extremely useful in real-world applications, such as filtering API responses, handling user preferences, validating data, and managing application state in a structured way. To summarize, we use JavaScript's filter and reduce methods to extract key value pairs dynamically based on a function. This method is efficient, flexible, and widely applicable in various JavaScript applications. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.